Hey, what's going on, YouTube? I've been kind of fighting a cold lately, so I haven't been doing too much on YouTube at all. And it's a pretty good cold. But anyways, I'm still kind of like putzing around here and there, and ended up, well, let's just say I got another unboxing. So, without further ado, this is kind of a strange shaped box for, well, what I've normally been buying. It's kind of just a strange box to begin with. So I'm gonna get it open. Oh no. I jinxed so many people with these, and I guess payback has come to get me. Great. Alright, let's see if I can do this without anything else. Let's see, I got a thank you. Don't forget to leave us positive feedback. So this is an eBay purchase. So let's see if I could do this. Now there's one way where if I take this and make a wall with it. See if the tape is sticky enough on the edges over here. I can fold it over a little bit. Oh, come on now. I don't want to get this shit all over the place. You know, sometimes I think they should put handles on top of cases. Oh, this looks like I'm going to be making a mess. Hold on, I will be right back. Alright, so I got it out, and basically I put my foot underneath the box and picked up this case up and down to see if it was touching the bottom of the box itself, and it's like, wait a minute here. I could feel the case a little bit, so I kind of figured maybe there wouldn't be that much packing peanuts on the bottom, and sure enough, it was just a little bit more of paper than packing peanuts. So when you're packing something up, or if you're unboxing more likely, check to see if there's packing peanuts. Look at the bottom of the box more than the top of the box, because it might be an easier way out of this. And I didn't make a mess. Alright, so I got rid of the box. Gone. Now let's open up this case. So, as you can see, it's a halfway decent case. A Roadrunner case, kind of like these. Form-fitted. Not like a solid case, but not bad to begin with. Alright, so This is going to be very interesting because I have to basically do some cleaning up on this thing, and yeah. So what do I got here? It is a star pick. Kind of interesting. Yeah, no slip. Yeah, it's kind of a nice pick. Too bad it wasn't a little bit thicker. So let me take out all of this shit here. All these packing, or not packing peanuts, but bubble wrap. So this guitar I saw on eBay, and I picked it up. Now, it is very, very dirty. This is a one filthy fucking guitar. All of the marks and shit on here, I will be able to get out because it's basically just smeared dirt. Somebody took rubbing compound and went over this thing really, really heavily with it on their own. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have fun polishing this thing out. So what I ended up picking up is another Ibanez. So this is a Ibanez one piece. Well, this is one. Damn, is it one piece? No, it's a 3-piece body, neck through, no scarf joint, no problems with the headstock at all, no cracking at all. Kind of a small headstock on this thing to begin with. That's kind of cool. Still has the little white plastic pieces on the back of the fucking. I think that's what that is. No, that's the covers for the back of the. Is it? No, it can't be. I can't get my finger underneath it. I have no nails. No, I guess that's what it is. So it's an Ibanez. And like I said, it's got a smudge mark here of something that I just got rid of with my finger. And there is rubbing compound in where the switch is like you wouldn't believe. So this is going to be a little bit of a project guitar. And still has all the string ferrules inside here, which is a good thing. It's got a few scratches here and there. Not really too bad as far as dents go. It's got a quilted maple top. And also you could see that the quilt, or the top, ended up being the, what do you call it, binding in this. It's got Duncan Ibanez pickups on it. No push and pull, right? Yeah, no push and pull. It kind of feels like it's got a wider neck than normal guitar does, but maybe it's just me. And frets are in good shape. Even somebody took rubbing compound to the frets because I could see the rubbing compound in the fretboard. Frets are in good shape. Nothing sharp around the edges. Binding all the way around. And this would be the next project. Interesting bridge. It is adjustable. Okay, that's cool. So this would be the next one. And as you can see, like all this shit here is basically, I can remove it with my hand. My finger, leaving a nice smudge mark. Not scratches, a smudge mark. Alright, so that's my next little toy over here that I'll be working on. Well, this Roadrunner case is kind of nice. Next project. Yeah, it's rubbing comp. Yep, it's rubbing compound. I can, even with this cold, I can smell it. That's called somebody being real sloppy. Well, I will leave this guy positive feedback because the guitar is what he said it was. And so there is no reason why I should give him anything other than a positive feedback. All right, folks, take it easy. Stay away from this fucking strain of this cold bullshit that's going on out there. It's a different type of a cold. It's not the same as your regular 7-day whatever cold. This thing is kind of kicks you in the ass a little bit. So take it easy. Have a good one. Later.